Hey there, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to restart without buttons on Samsung Galaxy S25. So if you want to restart your Samsung Galaxy S25 and you want to use your power button to restart your phone, then there's a way to avoid this power button. Hold the power button to get the power off menu, where you'll find the power off and restart option that you can use to restart your device. Now let me show you the way that you can restart your device without holding the power button. You just need to scroll down from the right side of your screen, and from here you will find this power off icon that will help you to get the power off menu, where you find the power off and restart option. You can simply tap on restart from here, and you can tap on it again to confirm the restart process on your device. So as you can see, I don't press on this power button or hold on this power button, so but I get the restart option from here. So that's how you can just get the restart button, and you can just restart your device, your S25 Ultra or S25, without the buttons. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.